Hey everyone, Desiree here. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to repurpose an outdated notebook slash planner. Now, I like to share planners and notebooks and binders and things that I find at Goodwill. And if you have been watching some of my earlier videos, you know that I found this Franklin Covey classic size binder at Goodwill for I think $3 or $4, and this was months ago, and I have been using it ever since, and I absolutely love it. As a matter of fact, I'm in the process of changing this around, so make sure you are subscribed because I'm going to switch things up for the fall. I'm printing out some things and I'm kind of rearranging the order of things in the binder, so just make sure that you're subscribed so you can see when I do the update. But anyways, we're not going to be talking about this particular notebook in this video. I wanted to show you a couple of things that I picked up from Goodwill about a week ago. And I know a lot of us, we talk about outdated planners and, what to do. Should we throw them away? Should we scratch out the dates, whatever. But I found this Moleskine 2022-2023 weekly and monthly student life planner. And you can see I picked it up from Goodwill for $2.99. Now when I saw this, I didn't know about these particular planners. I think I've seen the hardbound one, the one that doesn't have these little rings. But I've never seen a student planner like this, and this is a bigger size. It's not like the smaller A5 size. This is kind of like a composition notebook size. And you can see it's still got the original tag on it, and it starts in July of 2022 and it goes to June of 2023. So yes, technically this notebook, this planner, is expired or past the date, whatever. You can see it's got the Moleskine branding on it. But when I opened this up in the store, I was actually surprised that this notebook had never been used. It's still got the original, little tag here, and I hope you can see that. And then it just goes right into, the beginning pages, whatever. And I said, for $3, I actually could make this work because I love the Moleskine paper. It's not really an ivory colored paper, but it's not white either. It's kind of an off-white color. And you can see they've got all these little informational pages in the beginning here. They have your class schedule. Now, none of this is dated. This is just, it's open. It's got semester start date, end date, and then you've got the time and the days of the week here. So you can use this at any time. And you've got a section for your yearly goals. But here we go into July of 2022. You've got a habit tracker here, and then you've got the month on 2 pages. Now what I plan on doing with this, because you can see they've got the numbers here on the bottom, I'm probably just going to white out the dates, and I will use this. Now I couldn't figure out if I wanted to just go ahead and start it now, but because it has July, I think what I'm going to do is wait till July. Well, I don't know. Now that I'm thinking about it, maybe I might want to use it sooner, and I might white out everything, the year, the month, like the numbers, everything, and I could start using this in September or October. So you've got that month on 2 pages, then you've got the week on 2 pages in a horizontal layout, and again it's got June, July, and then it's got Monday, and then it's got the numbers here. But again, I'm just going to get some white out, and I'm going to white out those dates, and I'm going to go ahead and just use it whenever I feel like starting it, using it, because the notebook is brand new. Now the only thing I don't like is that Saturday and Sunday are on the same section. But what I could do is maybe half, like maybe white this out and use half for Saturday, half for Sunday. I don't know, we'll see. But now you can see that just because this notebook is dated from last year, it doesn't mean that we can't use it for something else. We can always repurpose stuff. I know a lot of us planner people love to do that, and I have a whole year of this. So we've got 2023 here, and what I'm thinking, like I said, I don't know if I want to wait until July of 2024 to use it. So I may go ahead and use it in, like I said, September, maybe October. And I just realized at the end of the month, you have this monthly review. It says, what am I most proud of? What was the best thing that happened? What was my most creative endeavor? What could have gone better? How can I grow next month? So this could even be like a self-improvement notebook or a self-improvement planner. Now, the other thing I noticed in the back here, okay, so this is like a projects section, and again, that doesn't have to be school specific, but it does have year achievements broken down by semester. Then you have projects here, Moleskine information. But look, you also get a page of stickers here, which I think is really nice. And again, this has not been used, so whoever had this, you know, they just didn't use it. And then you have a little gusseted pocket here in the back to put whatever. So that's what I'm going to do with this $3 expired Moleskine planner. You know, I'll probably put a sticker here, you know, and either put 2024 or nothing. Just put a sticker there and put, you know, health journal or whatever it is that I plan to use it for. Now, the other thing I wanted to show you that I picked up, and I found this at Goodwill also, was one of these half letter binders. Now this one isn't in the greatest of condition, but you can see I picked it up from Goodwill for $1.99, and luckily green tags were half off that day, so I got this for 99 cents. Now I didn't want it for the binder, but what I did want was the dividers and the note paper inside. You can see it's the 7 holes, so that's like the Franklin Covey I guess ring thing, design, whatever. And then I've also got these dividers in here, which are really nice. And again, all of this for 99 cents. I'm probably going to redonate the binder back, but I just wanted the stuff that was inside. And so I really like the note paper and the dividers, like I said, for 99 cents. I thought it was a great deal. And then this is just your standard binder with the pocket. Like I said, I have no plans on using it. I will donate it back. But I just wanted to share these 2 Goodwill finds with you. Now, I did get a couple questions on some of my older videos. Some of you said that you never find anything at Goodwill or any thrift store. And I will tell you, the quote-unquote secret to finding stuff is to go as frequently as possible. I go to Goodwill at least 2 or 3 times a week, and so I'm there really frequently. And so it's, you know, this, when they do put stuff out here, or when they do put stuff out, it's usually not out for very long because I go a lot. So that's really the trick, because they have so much stuff. I have found, like I said, I've found Filofax, I have found Happy Planners, I have found so much stuff. You know, people are not like us planner people, and they, you know, they buy these things and then they don't use them, and then they end up donating them, and then that's where we come in and we swoop up the good deals. So that's going to be it for this video. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you have any ideas, more ideas on how I could use this expired or outdated planner. And are you hitting up your thrift store and looking for a donated planner, notebook, crafting supplies? I think it's a great place to find stuff on the cheap. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. I will see you in the next video.